Assalamu alaikum everyone. So today I'm going to give you an introduction about flashcards. Okay? These are flashcards. These are flashcards. Okay. Apple, ball, cat, duck, grapes, house. Now say it with me. Apple, ball, cat, duck, grapes, house. Okay. Now I'm going to shuffle this up and Munisa will set this up for me. Can you set this for me? Very good. Okay, can you give me apple? Now, can you give me house? Now, can you give me grapes? Now, can you give me duck? Now, can you give me cat? And last, now give me ball. Ball. Very good. Now I am going to show you a little and you are going to tell me, okay? What is this? Apple. Apple, very good. Now I'm going to slide it a little and tell me what is it? This is ball. Very good. Ball. What comes after ball? Cat. Very good. Now can you tell me what comes after cat?
I don't know, teacher.
Okay, I will help you. The sound of this animal is quack quack.
Oh, the duck.
Yes, very good. Now can you tell me what comes after that?
House.
I'm going to show you, okay? A little.
House.
Very good. Now can you tell me what comes after house?
Grapes.
Very good. These are flashcards. These are flashcards. Thank you. Now our last topic is pairing cards. These are pairing cards. These are pairing cards. Now I'm going to tell you about pairing cards, okay? Duck, duck. Butterfly, butterfly. Leaf, leaf. Glass, glass. Car, car. Now say with me. Jug,
Jug, jug. Butterfly, butterfly. Leaf, leaf. Glass, glass. Car, car.
now I'm going to jumble this up, okay? Can you set this up for me?
Okay, yes, ma'am.
Same to same. Very good. Same to same.
Glass, glass. Same to same. Leaf, leaf. Same to same. Butterfly, butterfly. Same to same.
Very good. Do you know that why we call them pairing cards? Because they are in pairs. Now I'm going to show you, okay? Butterfly. Butterfly, butterfly. Leaf, leaf. Glass, glass. Jug, jug. Car, car. These are pairing cards because they are in pairs. Thank you.